Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm finally sharing with you how I make my Starbucks iced coffee at home. I had a lot of people on Instagram request that I do this video, and I've also been wanting to show you guys for a while. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. It's super simple. This is going to save you a lot of money and a lot of time. I love being able to make my coffee at home. The first thing I do buy is the medium roast iced coffee, and make sure you get the unsweetened version. You can get this at pretty much any grocery store. I get it from Walmart. It's like in between $4 and $5. And then I do use half and half for my cream. And then you can also buy the vanilla syrup that Starbucks has. You can buy it at Walmart, or you can also buy it inside of Starbucks. But I just picked this up at Walmart because I didn't have a Starbucks around me at the time. And then of course you are gonna need your ice. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off and I'm gonna put my ice in the cup. I think a lot of Starbucks start off with the coffee in the cup, but I don't do that because it takes a little bit longer for the coffee to be cold. So I like to put the ice in first. Once you have the amount of ice in your cup that you want, you're just gonna go ahead and add your coffee. Gonna fill it up to the top line right here. There is a line on this cup. And then for half and half, normally I just do the half and half to taste. You're probably gonna wanna do anywhere from 1/4 to a half of a cup. But I kind of know how much creamer I like in my coffee, just a tad. But half and half is actually what they use at Starbucks as well. And then you're gonna add your syrup last. So Starbucks, of course, usually has the pumps, but if you are using a tablespoon measure like I am, you are going to actually use 2 tablespoons because a half of a tablespoon is 1 pump. So I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons in it. It seems like a lot, but I mean, if you want it to taste like Starbucks, this is what you would do. Put it in there. Let's stir it around. And give it a try. It tastes exactly like a Starbucks iced vanilla coffee. So yes, super simple. I got all of my ingredients from Walmart. I used the ice, and then I used the Starbucks reusable cup just so I could kind of measure it out and know how much I was putting in. But it tastes exactly like Starbucks. It's gonna save you so much money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave down in the comments below if you tried this recipe and you thought it tasted the same. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
When I think about the way we used to be,